Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly unbox the QN90D series Neo QLED TV from Samsung. This comes in a variety of sizes from 43 inches all the way up to 98. The one we're going to unbox is a 55 inch. So if you do have a different size, just make sure you double check to verify that you're doing everything correctly. Or if you buy it from Abt, you can always give us a call and we can help walk you through the process over the phone too. But stay tuned because here we go. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process for the 55-inch version. Like I said though, this does come in a variety of sizes, so make sure you take your time when you're unboxing this to make sure you're not pinching the screen or potentially causing any kind of damage to that during the unboxing process. As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.